Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube page. Like I said, this year I'm going to be consistent this year. So today's fashion hack, we're going to be transforming this off-shoulder top, like you guys know the normal off-shoulder top here, into this pretty bucket bag. So guys, we're going to remove the hands of the top. You're just going to detach the hand. Yeah, you can use a blade, the scissors. Just be really careful while detaching the hand, so you can have just the tube part left. So I mistakenly caught myself while doing this. I wasn't so careful. Anyway, you guys be careful while you're doing this. So the next part is actually the main part. This is the main part. You're just going to close the edges. You're just going to close it like you close it very well. So you just get a sewing machine or someone to help you sew it, and then where the elastic band is, you're going to just open a small hole. Be very careful so as not to cut the rubber band. Then you have to drag the elastic band. So this is going to be the opening of the bag. We're almost there, guys. So this is the bag. I already closed the edges, and this is what you have. So on a normal day, you can use the elastic ball. I can't use mine because it's white. If it was black, maybe manageable. So I got the handle of one of my bags, and I just created two holes opposite each other, and that's what about it is you can actually wear it as a bonnet, like anyway guys, so if you have a bit off shoulder top, just do it and let me know. So guys, which one do you prefer, the bonnet or the bag or the top? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, that's the end of the video. If you watched this far, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also share. You can follow me on all my social media handles at Fiki Pearl. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or any hacks you want me to try out, don't forget to leave your comments below. And I love you guys. See you next week.